Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain tech to make your digital wallet adventures as smooth as possible. Today, we're diving into how to send USDC from Phantom Wallet to Tangem Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your USDC securely and efficiently, this guide is perfect for you. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this step-by-step process will have you transferring assets in no time. First things first, make sure you have both your Phantom Wallet and Tangem Wallet set up and updated to the latest 2025 versions. Phantom is a popular Ethereum-based wallet, and Tangem offers secure hardware storage, so this transfer will enhance your crypto safety. Step 1. Open your Phantom Wallet app on your mobile device or browser extension. Once you're in, navigate to your asset list and select USDC. You'll see your balance. Double-check that you have enough to cover the transfer plus any network fees. Next, hit the Send button. This will prompt you to enter the recipient's address. Now, switch over to your Tangem wallet. On the Tangem app or device, go to the Receive section to generate and copy your USDC address. Paste that address into the Phantom Wallet Send field. Be extra careful here. Crypto addresses are case-sensitive, so no typos. After that, enter the amount of USDC you want to send. Review the transaction details, including fees, which might be on the Ethereum network or another blockchain supporting USDC in 2025. Once everything looks good, confirm the transaction with your Phantom Wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric verification. Sit tight for a moment as the transaction processes. In 2025, with improved blockchain speeds, this should only take a minute or two. Once confirmed, check your Tangem wallet to ensure the USDC has arrived. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred USDC from Phantom to Tangem. This method keeps your funds secure and gives you more control over your assets. If you run into any issues, always double-check network compatibility and wallet updates. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.